फिर आपका आज हम लोग आपको लेकर जा रहे हैं फिटनेस क्लब में, जिसका नाम है,
टाइटल है आई क्रैश्ड मलाइका अरोड़ा's योगा सेशन एंड ट्राइड लिविंग हर 50-year-old रूटीन संडे ब्रंच।
मतलब 50 इयर्स ओल्ड रूटीन, मतलब बचपन से वो कर रही हैं इसको फॉलो।
क्या पता,
चले देखते हैं और जानते हैं इस वीडियो में। लेकिन उससे पहले
इस वीडियो चैनल का ओरिजिनल लिंक आपको हमारी वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन मिल जाएगा। सब्सक्राइब के, लाइक के, शेयर को फॉलो करेंगे चैनल को। इसके अलावा हम लोग चैनल लिंक भी हमारी वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन मिल जाएगा। सब्सक्राइब के, लाइक के, शेयर को फॉलो करें।
तो चलिए देख लेते हैं ये वीडियो।
मलाइका मैम
एक फोटो पीछे से फोटो।
गाइस चलो पीछे से फोटो मत लो, मुझे पता है तुम लोग क्या करते हो। पीछे से लो
मैम,
फोटो।
ब्रंच नहीं है आज।
ब्रंच है, पर ब्रंच से पहले हम योगा करेंगे। ब्रंच के लिए पहले थोड़ा बर्न करना पड़ता है।
मलाइका मैम के साथ है।
यस, शुरुआत करते हैं पहले योगा से।
ये अच्छा है,
See you.
है ना?
मैम एक फोटो।
पता नहीं कि मुझे थोड़ी जूही चावला याद आ गई ऐसे स्टाइल से।
Let's find out what makes her a hottie at 50.
है ना?
Or rather, you should be welcoming me back to your curly tails.
Yes.
I so say
Welcome
that.
back to curly tails.
Yes.
कितने घंटे आप रोज वर्कआउट करते हो?
1 hour.
1
I
hour.
told you that. उससे ज़्यादा
Yes.
I feel I get bored. Anything over an hour, I'm like हो गया, अभी टाइम हो गया, मुझे घर जाना है.
My max limit
इस
is 10
लाइन से तो मुझे
minutes.
राजी
10
मूवी
minutes
याद
से
आ
कुछ
रही।
नहीं होगा.
मुझे घर जाना
तो
है।
मैं ऐसी और आप ऐसे
मतलब
हो।
10 minutes तो बस इसमें जाता है. जब उठते हो ना तो stretching, अंगड़ाई ले लो, that is 10 minutes. So what are you going to do in 10 minutes?
चलो नहीं, टुडे विल डू फुल 1 hour प्रॉपर वर्कआउट जैसे आप करते हो, और हमारे सारे व्यूअर्स भी करेंगे साथ ही में।
योगा
गाइस,
मैट
ब्रिंग
प्यारा है
आउट
ना?
योर योगा मैट, दिस वन इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू। और उससे पहले मुझे ये बताओ, आपकी जो वाटर थेरेपी है,
That is सुबह as soon as I wake up is my water
Okay.
therapy. Welcome to my bar. I mean, people go to a bar to have cocktails and mocktails and all, but you are welcome to my bar, which is
इंटरेस्टिंग शॉट्स।
फेस कितना शाइन कर रहा है ना।
व्हाट डू यू डू फॉर इम्यूनिटी शॉट?
immunity
वो
is
किया जाता है ना ऐसे?
ginger, turmeric, not that haldi
बहुत
जो
सारी चीजें
खाना में
होती हैं।
डालते हैं ना, not that
अच्छा।
one.
नो देन
This is
कच्ची
the
हल्दी।
मुझे लगा शायद
वाला
योगा
हल्दी
कर रही थी।
होता
सुन
इसमें
ले,
से-
सुन
ऐसा
ले।
होल एक हल्दी
Yeah.
का
कच्ची
salt,
हल्दी
that's
is very
not
good.
the powder.
not the powder.
तुम भी अपने
the
लिए
कच्चा
इस्तेमाल
वाला
कर
हल्दी,
सकते
you take that, you just grate
Right.
it. You can put mint leaves, or you can put tulsi leaves. You know, kind of
Right.
crush everything, make a paste, remove the juice, or just put it all in the mixie. That's the easiest. Then I have a juicer. I put everything into that. A blender.
Okay.
Put all of it. Add some water, or you can add coconut water. You can add chia seeds. Any of this. Just put it all
Chia
inside.
seeds are
strain it,
very
and
good.
drink.
Okay, so which one of this is the immunity one? Perfect.
Cheers. This is what my weekend looks like.
Okay, these
Welcome
are the
to
shots.
Yeah, welcome to Malaika's bar. You know, like people have other rituals with
Yes.
shots. This is my rituals of shots.
Very good.
See, tastes nice also.
Yeah, not bad.
See, can you see the haldi in the bottom?
It's not as nice.
You can see 1 second. You can
अच्छा
add haldi
ऐसे
food.
हमें नहीं
हाँ, that
बुरा
will
लगता ना?
improve
क्या?
the taste or
तूने-
whatever. But now I
मैं
feel
जब
it's
कावा
like
बनाकर
हाँ।
भी
नाक
कभी
पकड़
तुमने
के-
कहा नहीं है कि
हाँ,
अच्छा नहीं है।
Or you can, you know, taste it
कावा
with
के
like
नहीं
a slice
मुझे
of
खुद नहीं बुरा
orange or
लगता।
something and think like you're having a
Get the
आपने
vibe.
देखी
Get the
क्या?
vibe.
You know,
You
like
know?
tequila
आपने
shot
कहा
or
तो तभी
something.
तुमने
Yeah.
कहा नहीं कि अच्छा नहीं है।
What's wrong? It's so nice. See? Quite tasty like
Okay.
that. So this is great for
हाँ,
immunity.
अच्छा नहीं है, मतलब कि
colds,
बुरा।
Just basically to
पता
build
नहीं, मुझे
your
नहीं समझ आ-
immunity.
मैं
And
उनकी
I
बातें
think
सुनती
we all
हूँ।
live in an environment which has so much of dust and pollution and all of that. So I think that's what is essential. You rather have
Okay.
this than
Right.
popping medication.
Absolutely.
You know, I
Chalo,
feel
now
this is a better thing.
This is added to my routine. But what about these ghee shots that I've been hearing?
He is amazing. You always ask me what you do for hair and skin.
Yes.
Wake up in the morning. See, I can't have coffee. Coffee is not good for me in the
Okay.
sense it doesn't agree with my system.
Right.
Take 1 chammach of pure nice A2 wala ghee. Just have that, and you see what a big difference. Or then add it to your khana. If
Okay.
your dal mein ya your
पसंद
rotis,
नहीं आता फिर
you know.
खाना
हाँ,
डाल
सही
दो
बात
तो
है।
इधर नखरे शुरू हो जाते हैं।
Okay, that's also another
Smelly बड़ी
shot that
होती
you
है।
could have. Okay, now what about the second one?
Second one is for digestion, which is so all the danas in it, which is ajwain, jeera, soft, and methi dana. So
Okay.
you take all 1 teaspoon each, put
Right.
it in a glass of water at night, soak it.
Okay.
In the morning, just as soon as you wake up, the first thing, you know, after you wake up and whatever, put in a this on the gas, slightly warm it up and drain it. You can add a little bit, a few drops of lime juice to it.
Okay.
Only if you feel like lemon.
Right.
And this you can have first thing in the morning or last
Okay.
thing at night as well. After your, you feel like you've had a heavy meal or you're feeling bloated,
Right.
ज़्यादा कुछ खा लिया. I think this is the best way.
मतलब इससे पेट साफ हो जाएगा to
It's
put
like,
it.
and I'm telling you, you just feel, it just
So like you
feels better.
instantly like one
Yeah,
tire less.
you feel one tire less.
This is exactly what I need now.
Instantly.
Okay, I don't mind the taste of this one.
See?
Now, this one I am most excited about. The glow that we see on her face. I want to get that glow. और कैसे मिलता है ये ग्लो? हमारे पास एक है ग्लो शॉट.
Yeah, this is a glow
क्या
shot.
है इसमें?
This is basically nothing much. It's just aloe vera, fresh aloe vera.
Okay.
You get a plant, you get it in the market, but I prefer fresh, which I have the plant at home. Just take that out, mix it. Or what you can do, a great way I can also tell you, the very nice way is take it and put it in your fridge in the cubes in your ice tray में डाल दो. So you just get little
Right.
this and just put it into your water.
Oh.
You can add chia seeds to
Right.
it, sabza ya chia seeds,
Yes.
any of it. Soak it at night.
Right.
Add a teaspoon to it. If you don't even want to have it, just take the cube
Yeah.
and rub it on your face. So if you don't even need to consume it, but if you just rub it also like a facial,
Yeah.
in the morning you feel like you're feeling puffy or you're feeling
Yeah.
this. Either you consume it like this,
Yeah.
or ingest it, or then you
Yes.
have just take the cube and put it on your face.
Okay,
It's
perfect.
excellent.
Cheers.
ये देखो इनको थोड़ा कड़वा लगे मे बी. नहीं.
This actually tastes like water only.
Yeah, nothing. It's
Yeah,
tasteless.
It's tasteless. It's
Aloe vera is
amazing.
pretty tasteless.
Okay, now that my
इसमें फिर बड़ा
immunity is
कड़वा
built,
लगता है.
digestion strong हो गया है, अब by the end of this yoga session glow भी आ जाएगा.
Everything, any which way
Everything.
you sweat. Of course, and this is also there, which actually it's not part of this. This is my green juice, which I have.
Okay.
Something which I also, when I work out or whatever is on the run, it's great. This has cucumber, which is
Okay.
hydration. It's like great way to build on your hydration. Fresh celery, which is
Okay.
again very good. It's good for your skin, your stomach, your everything, your gut, all of it. I like to add a little bit of green apple because
Okay.
it gives me, and it's tasty and
Yes.
things like that. So you just add a little bit. Don't add the whole thing.
Yeah.
Have half a green apple in it. Blend it, water or coconut water.
Okay.
And have it. You can top it off with.
Very simple.
Very simple.
Yeah.
You can top it off with chia seeds or
Yeah.
kalonji. You know what is kalonji?
Right.
That is onion seeds.
Yes.
Just put some on.
इसको
top.
अनियन सीड्स बोलते
Really,
हैं
I have-
कलौंजी को.
Hundreds of these.
हाँ,
And
मैंने
you can
seen
have
two.
this anytime. There's like I just prefer doing all of this in the day, first half
Right.
of the day before midday. I do all of it.
But this is really, really good that you are actually investing time, effort into getting the right ingredients into your body.
Self-care, self-love, I think is very, very important. I think as women, we tend to forget about that. I mean, we get, महीने में एक बार जाओ और, बाल color कर दो या काट दो. It's like that you give yourself that one day in the month and you kind of cram everything in. Why does
Right.
it have to be like that? Or once in 6 months. Like so many times I see, like, oh God, I've not had the time to go and touch up my hair or
Yeah.
color my hair or
Yeah.
take a haircut or
Yeah.
you just, something for yourself. Why do you have to wait 6 months? I feel just a little bit of self-care and self-love goes along.
I agree with you और मैं ये अपनी रूटीन में इंक्लूड करूंगी and so should you. चलो अब योगा करते हैं.
चलो.
ठीक है?
Warm up. Nice.
I hope it's very relaxing, calming.
That's the thing. People think yoga is all about just lying in Shavasana and doing nothing. I'll show you a nice technique,
Okay.
which is very good for women, and it's pretty ancient, but you kind of do it. You do it a little bit of every day.
Right.
So the first thing is, as silly as it may look, is tapping.
Okay.
Just
नहीं.
tap. So you have your lymph nodes and stuff like that. So you kind
right.
of just to drain so you kind of do it under your arms, your back. So this is just you just start your thing with just
And detox
tapping
your
and,
body.
and activate your.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, this is fun. I've
I
never
know,
done
I know it looks crazy, but just do that. Just do that. And a great way is just start your day with a little bit of a bounce. Keep your hands as loose as possible.
Okay.
So you just do that. Do it for like about 30 counts or whatever.
Okay.
Okay, and now in the same way you lift. So you're working your calves
Calves.
and your arms, but it's not like a workout. It's a great
Okay.
way to kind of start for a warm up thing, but it actually gets your body, your blood flow.
Activate
You feel
that,
energized. By the end of it, you'll feel like suddenly you feel tingling, because you feel everything is energized.
Right.
So you kind of you can go one arm, but make sure you lift your
Okay.
You feel the burn in your
Calves.
calves.
I don't know how you manage to look graceful no matter what you do.
You look very graceful, my dear.
Yeah. Okay.
Extremely graceful. And you can pick up the pace, breathe in and breathe out. Oh God. Come on, do it. You can do this, girl.
मुझे लग रहा है ये योगा
Very
ही
good.
करती है ना।
Very well. Breathe in,
Very well.
breathe out. Come on, breathe from your nose and breathe out. Can you feel that there's like
Yes.
a heat in your body? You feel your
Already?
cheeks tingling?
Is this yoga?
No, Baba. This is not.
This is not.
This is not yoga.
Okay, we are still in warm up.
Yoga से ही होगा. अच्छा क्या है? It's part of the whole technique.
Okay.
Then you kind of go twist your body and see how
यार,
graceful you're looking.
ये वाला
You look like a
करते हुए
dancer.
ना
I
मुझे
hope
वो
so.
लगता है
Very
I will
good.
know
थोड़ा
when
सा
I
ना-
see the
मुश्किल।
B-roll.
नहीं मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है मेरे मन थोड़े
Honestly.
चक्कर आते हैं ये वाला
Do at
स्टेप
least
करते
like
हुए
30 counts,
लेकिन वो
30 to
बहुत
50
आराम
counts.
से कर रही है ना
आप तेजी करती
मैं
हैं
थोड़ा तेज करती हूँ हाँ तो
तो
मुझे
आराम से किया करें
मैं भी यही सोचूं मैं भी आराम से किया
हाँ।
करूँ
Now, after you do that, the same thing that we did now, go up and try and make sure that you squat as much as you can. Okay, so breathe in, breathe out. So you
इनके
get
घोड़े दर्द होने
enough
अब ये
of a
लगता है
squat.
क्योंकि
Come on now,
ऐसे में ना
squat a
घोड़े
little more.
You're
Bend those, yeah. Feeling good?
very good.
Feeling
उनसे bend
nice
नहीं
and
बजा
warmed
रहा।
up?
Yes, fully. This feels like cardio, strength, everything. And guys,
I'll go home and come back, you still continue to do this.
no.
The other thing I really like, just watch me, is if you actually can. You do that?
I'm gonna try.
ये
like this.
अच्छा है लेकिन ये अभी जैसे मेरे से प्रॉपर नहीं
वो
होता
देखिए वो कह रही हैं
इतना तो मेरे से भी हो जाता है बेटा
Don't
ऐसे
you
ही
get
होता है
all
आपसे।
these sound effects. But
नहीं, नहीं, मैं तुम्हें बताऊं, अभी-
I beg you. He has done
जो
the same
जैसे
thing
मलाइका
over
कर
there.
रही है ना मैंने जो
Try doing
मतलब
this. Initially it'll be a
बहुत
little tough.
परफेक्ट योगा
Yeah,
करने
but
वाले
once
होते हैं
you
ना
do, you can
उनकी तो देखो
pull
हील
down.
ऊपर जा रही है ना
What angle
कंपैरिजन
yoga
मैंने
है?
नीचे देखा पूरा
I'm a
हाँ
morning person.
ये देख
I can't.
अभी
उसके बाद मतलब
हाँ ऐसे मैं भी कर लेती
11
हूँ
बजे के बाद then I don't enjoy. सुबह सुबह
And
उठो.
everyday yoga, or do you do like strength and
So it's a strength with yoga. So all
Okay.
of this, whatever I showed you, you
Right.
can also use weight. Light weights, depending on what your body can handle. You can use arm weights, you can use ankle weights. So imagine doing
पहले मैं
all of
body
this
weight
if
का
you
ही
lift
बंदा
your
है।
leg. So like for example, if you do this, but you have weights, so suddenly you get a little bit of a weighted workout as well.
Yes.
So just use, even if you're doing your arms and all this, use a small weights in your hand and do that. You'll see suddenly, and then instantly you'll see that there's a little bit of
Working.
change in your body structure
Right.
and all
ये
of
तो
that.
अगले दिन
and
पता चलता
why
है ना
have
यहाँ
you
पे
chosen
उसी दिन
yoga
शाम
over
को।
any other form of
हाँ।
exercise?
I've done all forms of exercise. I have tried everything. You know, and when I say tried, not as a hobby or as a
Right.
fad, because I've done it. So whether it was in a gym or whether it was Pilates, I've done everything. But I had a lot of injuries, so that's how I moved to yoga, because it kind of minimized that injury that I was feeling. So I just felt it really helped me. Why don't we do a challenge? It's called the boat challenge. Sit.
ओके ये
keep
मजे का
balance,
पोज
try and hold
होता
over
है
here. It's a little tough. Go a little
पेट
at the
के लिए
back
अच्छा होता है
and lift your legs.
मतलब
Okay.
abdominal
That's the challenge.
Oh.
So
For
see
how
how
long?
long you can hold.
And what do we do about our hand?
That is up to you. You can either, if you feel, start
Yeah.
like this.
Right.
But eventually, you have to bring your arms forward. This is
Oh.
very good for your abs. Ideally, it's a 1 minute, 2 minute challenge.
Okay.
You know, so we should ask all your viewers to
Right.
try this boat
चलें।
challenge as
मैं
well.
कर
Done,
सकती
done.
हूँ
And
ये।
let us know for how many seconds
आता
or
है।
minutes
मुझे
would
नहीं
you
आता।
hold this.
Absolutely, and send us your videos. Also.
Send us your videos also.
Huh?
Yes.
So you can
ठीक है
hold
भैया।
here. Slowly lift your legs up, and don't forget to breathe. Hold slowly
Okay,
as and when you
straight.
can. Hold your
वो
arms up.
करती बहुत है
हाँ।
फ्लेक्सिबल
Come on,
है आपकी
count.
बॉडी
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
I'm shaking.
Yeah, you should. You start shaking, your whole body will start shaking.
एक साल का कैलोरीज एक ही
दिन है
सेशन में.
Are you feeling any burn? 34 seconds to go.
It's only been 30.
Only 30 seconds.
होता है ऐसे वैसे
1 minute is damn good. Come on, you can do this. Come on, you
Malaika
can-
ma'am, I don't think I can beat you.
Come on, come on, come on. 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Very good. See? Oh, damn good.
This was intense. My God. I've been in the industry for close to 30 years, a little more. And I'm sure you would have seen like all phases, ups, downs, professional life, personal life. But is that a non-negotiable for you कि मैं exercise तो उठकर करूँगी?
Absolutely. कल रात को मैं बाहर गई थी. I was out with friends, this, that. And everybody was like, you know, चलो यार आराम से. नहीं कुछ भी हो जाए. And I'm fine. I'll be out. I'll hang out with my friends. जो भी है. लेकिन वो सुबह उठ के वर्कआउट करना है, आई थिंक दैट इज अ नॉट.
ये मेरे से नहीं होता.
एंड इट इज नॉट अबाउट परफेक्ट बॉडी टाइप या यू नो इट्स नॉट अबाउट दैट ये साइज. ओके दोस आर challenges. You can challenge yourself and say, you know, there are a pair of jeans which I want to get into, and you'll do it. But I feel you should just do it to feel good. It gives you added, you know, motivation, strength, happiness. So that's it. I feel wo uth ke even if it means half an hour, just run or walk or do your yoga, you know, your few pranayams, just a few quick flow of yoga, which is all that you need. Surya Namaskar, you don't need to do anything. Have you ever done Surya Namaskar?
Let's do it today.
I'm telling you, just do a few of them. Everybody finds it tough.
Okay.
Start off with doing 5.
Okay.
And then keep increasing.
ठीक है.
Huh? That's all you need. You have to come to the beginning of the mat.
Okay.
Breathe in. Breathe out. Right leg back. In a warrior pose. Very good. Left leg back. Hold in a plank. So either you can drop your
Downward
knee
dog
to
nahi
advance.
hota.
Either you drop your knee in Chaturanga and you go down. Then Bhujangasana. That's Cobra pose. Into downward dog. Mountain. Right? We did our right.
Am I doing it all right?
Yes, absolutely. Left leg forward. Inhale. Samasth. The idea is to start, like I said, start with 5, then start building to 10, 12, 14.
बड़ा मुश्किल है इतने करना. ये
That's like the best. So this is the best cardio you can ever do.
And just doing 108 Surya Namaskars is also like a full workout.
Full workout because you need at least, it takes, depending on how fast you go, it takes about 35 minutes to do the whole thing. So that's perfect.
Which is your favorite exercise of all?
I love Surya Namaskar. And I love doing leg exercise, but that's different. But for me, Surya Namaskars are the best. So the same thing what I just showed you.
Right.
Of course, do the other side. Inhale, exhale, left leg back, right leg back. Now try slow. Yeah, that's it. Very good. Cobra. Left leg up. Forward. Right leg forward. Inhale. Feel good? Another thing which is very, very good for women. I mean, there are loads of other poses. There are like many. I mean, that will take us an entire thing. But just do these few. And for women, I think a very good one is sitting in Malasana.
ये बहुत अच्छा है.
Okay.
सारे पता हैं.
हाँ मैं करती हूँ ना, जब करती हूँ तब
Drop one knee down.
बहुत अच्छा है. या फिर डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम के लिए बहुत अच्छा है ये वाला
Drop
आसन.
one knee down. Yeah, it'll hurt.
मतलब अगर आपको कॉन्स्टिपेशन है ना तो ये करो.
There's no gain
ये बहुत
without pain.
अच्छा है.
As simple as that. Yes, very good.
Amazing.
Good job, girl.
Okay, few questions. A lot of people have myths around yoga. Now you got to tell me if it's true or is it actually a myth. For yoga, you must be naturally flexible to start this exercise.
It's a myth. It's not
Anybody can do yoga.
Anybody, you have to start. Once you start, then automatically your flexibility will, you see, your flexibility will just become so much better.
Yoga is only about stretching.
Myth. It's about
Strength आती है
pranayams,
बहुत.
stretches. There's so much more to, but it's a great way to actually, whatever your stretches also are all very good for your body. They won't be any injury, you won't hurt yourself. So even if you've had a very strenuous workout and you stretch with yoga stretches, you see what a big difference.
And in terms of strength also, you can build strength with yoga.
Have you seen people who do yoga? It's only body weight.
Okay. What is the right age to start yoga? Is it only for those who are above 30 or
Not at
40?
all, at any age. In fact, there's no age.
मतलब
you can
ये
start
शुरू से
anytime.
कर देना चाहिए.
The
अभी
good thing
बॉडी
is even
फ्लेक्सिबल हो
if you start
जाएगी.
when you're, of course, 50 also, or you do it when you're young. So there's no such thing as what is the right age. Anytime.
Your girl gang, like Karina, Karishma, Amrita, all of y'all look fabulous. And Karina also speaks about doing yoga. Do you guys ever work out together?
I think we all love yoga, all of us. I mean, we all work out. We all have our separate workout routines, but we all actually believe a lot in yoga. All of us. We've all done it at some point or the other together.
Morning workout or evening workout?
Morning.
abs or legs? Which workout do you like?
If legs, love.
Yeah.
Strong legs. It's like,
One fitness habit everyone should start.
I think you're sitting and doing work, desk job, whatever. You tend to sit a lot, which is
Right.
not good for your structure or for your system at all. So I think get in as much as steps. So something like, even I feel people take the lifts and go up. Don't run up the stairs, run down the stairs.
You do that?
I love it.
One food dish that makes you forget your fitness regime.
Right, I'm crushing on Thai food. I love Thai food. Give me
Okay.
Thai curry rice, and I'm like sold.
That's like your favorite go-to dish.
I mean, rice is my favorite dish.
Right.
You give me any kind of rice, whether it's khichdi, whether it's biryani, whether it's a pulao, anything. Just give me chawal. I'm a proper rice eater. But right now I'm tripping on
Thai curry.
Thai curry rice.
You can do a headstand. Yeah. And you can also like lift yourself like on your arms and all. Can you show off a little?
You can do. I'll show you a headstand.
Yeah?
I'll show you.
Okay.
Okay, give me a rubber band, please. You can also do it if you do it against a wall.
You're not going to do it against a
No,
wall.
I'm telling you. Like if you
Ah.
have to, like that's a very good way. Put your hands down, lift your legs up, and against a wall. So at least it gives you that,
Okay.
you have a little bit of.
देखते हैं क्या टेक्निक सिखाती है.
First, I'll see you do it.
No,
Then
but
you help me.
I'll assist you then.
Yes.
Huh?
Done.
Don't try doing it by yourself. So you start off. I'll show you. Keep it
ये
like this,
बहुत
so
मुश्किल
for-
लगता है
so you know
मुझे.
the exact distance of where your head should be. You keep your arms here, exactly where your arms open up.
मुझे ना ये मैट का ये
Exactly
चीज़ बड़ी
where
अच्छी
your
लगती
head
है.
should-
अलाइंड है अपनी बॉडी के साथ एक इस तरह से.
Mm.
चेहरा
So
देखा?
cool.
ब्लड कैसे आया?
God, you're amazing.
You do that.
Can I? I don't
Yes, you
think
can.
so.
You do it against a wall. Come.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You want to? Should I do it against this wall? Or yeah, this is okay. Oh my God, guys, wish me luck. Please hold me.
गुड लक. वाकई में ये डिफिकल्ट होता है जब आप
Good luck,
बहुत
good
ट्रेन
luck.
ना हो
Now
तो.
what first? Yeah. No. First do this. Exactly. Open your arms. Come a little behind. Move. Yeah. And exactly put your head.
Here, okay.
Yeah. Lift your legs up. Slowly,
यहाँ
one
से
by
तो
one,
ऊपर
walk
लेके
your
जाना
feet
थोड़ा.
inside. No, walk your feet in. Walk it in. Now lift one leg at a time.
मेरे से तो यही नहीं ऊपर होती.
minute.
नहीं
Put you
असिस्ट
against
करके
the
ही
wall.
होता
So
है.
you have a sense of balance.
नाइस.
Okay. Is your neck fine?
Yes,
Neck fine? Yeah. You feel it? I'm
मेरे
slowly
तो
going
यहाँ
to
पर
take your
बहुत
legs
दर्द
off.
होती है मोज़न इसको ना.
Take your
जब मैं
hips off.
एक मतलब
I'm
ट्राई
holding
की
you.
थी.
Okay. But this is a better way to do it this way, so you have sense of.
guys, the world is looking very different.
Yeah, lovely ना. उल्टा अच्छा लगता है. Now one leg at a time. One leg. I'm here. I'm holding you.
Oh my God, oh my God.
One leg at a time. Yeah.
होता है ऐसे. बैलेंस ही नहीं होता आपका.
No pain, right?
No pain.
Now go in child pose. Very
एकदम
Very
से नहीं
good,
उठना
see?
होता. वरना चक्कर आ जाते हैं.
You just have to get over that fear.
Thank you for the first headstand ever. You're the best yoga teacher.
And I'm not even a teacher.
You are not even a teacher. You are so amazing.
I'm not
Thank
even. You have to be certified to be a teacher. I just enjoy it so much. And I think with time, and that's something you keep learning. You
I need to know about the duck walk as well. How to do that?
duck walk. This is how I walk.
Yeah.
Naturally, how I walk. Believe it or not,
Yeah.
every time my doctor says, they tell me, because I keep getting a problem with my lower back because I tend to wear a lot of heels and stuff
Right.
like that. So he tells me every day, don't forget to walk. Literally he tells me do this every day in the morning, walk like this. Just walk for like 10-15 steps in the morning and 10 at night,
Yes.
So it literally you see do that.
Yeah.
Pagal lag rahe ho abhi. Whatever you're doing. But I actually do this every day. I do my duck walk every day. Aage piche. You see?
Yes.
Straight body. Keep walking
lower back
forward
के
and
लिए?
backwards. It really
लग तो रहा है
helps.
जैसे उन्होंने बोला है कि मैं
See all
हील्स
this
बहुत ज्यादा पहनती हूँ.
alignment?
मेरे डॉक्टर ने
Yes,
बताया.
people tend to slouch or whatever. Everything becomes good.
Amazing.
हाँ,
I
तो भी
love
कर
how
सकता
you
है.
said that
हाँ.
you can hold a 7-course meal here.
इसलिए मैं कह रहा हूँ.
That's my buffet table. Talking about buffet table.
Hungry.
Should we go and eat?
Let's go. I
Let's
think
go?
we've done enough, right?
Perfect.
I deserve this meal,
I,
right?
I can actually see you glowing and sweating. Yeah, I think we need to dress up. I think we're done with with athleisure for now. I want to
Yes.
dress and go for lunch.
Time for an outfit transition. 1, 2, 1. Welcome to Sweeney.
ये इन्होंने नया स्टार्ट किया क्या है ना
लग रहा है
क्योंकि जो पहले वाला था वो
वो
डिफरेंट था
डिफरेंट था
Welcome. Table for two. Beautiful. What a restaurant. Congratulations on yet another new restaurant.
Thank you.
And thanks
so
for the
much.
yoga workout I fit into my dress.
Ready
Yes.
to enjoy the khana.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Now it feels like it's worth it. Absolutely.
Chalo.
Perfect. Let's begin.
पाइनएप्पल में
हाँ पनीर
साबू क्या कहते हैं
साबूदाना
सागुदाना
I feel like everything around me right now is green. My phone cover, my clothes. I don't know. I'm just like totally inspired by the colors.
And
of
I have a
green.
thing for restaurants with an outdoor space. Very rare in Mumbai, but it's so
It's
nice.
a novelty. You don't really
Absolutely.
get it to have a space like this.
Yes.
You have a old mango tree over here, 100-year-old mango tree. Thank you.
किस तरह का cuisine मिलता है यहाँ पर?
It's a mix. There's Thai food,
Okay.
classic, old style, you know, and European food. And that's why we say European is because I feel there's so many beautiful dishes from around the world. When when you talk about Europe, like whether it's a simple pasta or it's a risotto or it's a great tapas. You know, there's so many spots around the world which you can actually enjoy. Every time I travel, you look forward to these kind of dishes. So why not bring it together? We didn't want to restrict ourselves to just one cuisine
Right.
over here.
But you know, the good thing that we are seeing, actors today are not restricting their profession only to acting. Venturing into different businesses.
Today's day and age, there's so many opportunities. You know, I mean, food is something I really enjoy. Hospitality is something I enjoy. I think being in the business for so long, it has kind of broadened my horizons as well. You travel, you meet so many people. You know, we've been so
Yeah.
lucky to have that kind of exposure. So it kind of just made sense. So whether it was food, whether it's fitness, whether it's fashion, lifestyle, I'm slowly venturing into all of these areas. And I think it just kind of is an extension of my the kind of work that I do.
But मजा आता है आपको? टेंशन नहीं लगता इतने सारे काम?
Of course tension होता है, of course थोड़ा बहुत nervousness भी होती है, लेकिन I think it keeps me on my toes. It makes me
Yeah.
want to do things better. It makes me want to push myself even more.
Your drive is so inspirational. You can have it easy also, but it's nice for you to, actually push your limits, keep doing new things.
What you said is absolutely right. I can very well say कि अच्छा बहुत काम कर लिया, बहुत कुछ कर लिया कि चलो अभी घर बैठ जाओ, और कुछ नहीं करना है. But I feel why not? I think is there a time and age for all these things? I think I genuinely feel I'm at my prime and I want to really explore as much as I can.
नाइस
I think
Have you always felt you are at your prime? या अब लग रहा है? सच बता. Seriously?
I truly feel that. I feel when I was 20, I felt a certain way, 30, 40, I felt every part of my life at every age. I felt every decade of I felt, it kind of brought about a new aspect to my life. But I truly feel right now where I sit, I feel I'm able to extract the most out of it.
So nice. 50 is the new 20. Can we say that?
matlab, I feel like I'm full of life. I'm buzzing. I'm on my feet 24/7, literally, and I'm loving it. I think it really pushes me to. And I also believe कि ये process में कुछ ऐसे भी चीजें आएंगे जहाँ पे hits और misses भी आएंगे. You will succeed at some things, you will fail at something, but I think
That's life.
that's life. But I'm the kind, I'm very hungry and very. Talk about hungry.
I know.
Are you also hungry?
I'm super hungry.
Okay, I made you
After-
work out.
Last time you spoke about paneer tikka.
ये वो वाला
Saying my mouth is watering. I can't tell you, food just is like my driving thing.
Yeah. And the number of reels, people recreated that dish.
Absolutely.
I want to know, यहाँ पे कौन सी एक ऐसी dish है that you would want people to recreate at their home?
Actually, there are two dishes that I am really passionate about. I like making it at home. I love eating it. I order it every single time. One is the classic green Thai curry rice.
Okay, which
That
is here already.
Which is here. And the mango sticky rice.
You have mango sticky rice here.
Right
That's
here.
like my
Yeah, हमने खाया
ultimate
था.
favorite
Exactly.
dessert. Can it be called a dessert
Yes,
or
it
a
is
main?
yeah, it is a dessert. Yeah, I mean, it is. I feel it is just the most. It's comfort in a bowl.
And do you make Thai curry at home?
I do.
Yeah.
I
Can you
do.
share the recipe?
I go to the market. Like,
Okay.
like religiously, I'll go to Pali market. You get the Thai mix herbs, right? Which is galangal. There's lemongrass. There is the Thai aubergine, which are the small, you know,
Yeah.
the small aubergine, brinjal jo kehte hain. The small one, green ones. Then we, of course, the most important ingredients of a good Thai curry are the herbs, the coconut milk, and the paste. So if you're making a green curry, then you need a green paste. So these are the
Right.
things. These are the most important things. You can make it with vegetables. You can make it with any choice of meat, prawns, chicken, whatever. Up to you. I love the classic vegetable Thai green curry because I feel it has everything in it. It has all my favorite veggies in it.
Yes, yeah.
And I think it's like I can eat that. I can drink it. And of course, my most favorite would be you kind of put you get all these herbs, you throw it into a pot, then you add your green curry. Now, the
mango
green
sticky
curry
नहीं, नहीं,
paste
ice
can
cream
be
कि mango
either you
sticky rice
make
है.
it fresh at home
तन्या आइसक्रीम लग रही
or
है मुझे
you
तो.
store bought. You kind of fry all of this together. But again, the green paste has to be nice and fresh. That's the whole. You can actually smell it.
Right.
That's what it is. You kind of put it all together in a pot. Finally, then you add your coconut milk. Again, coconut milk, the consistency has to be good. Can't be too that patla wala.
Yeah.
Don't do that. So when me at home, we kind of extract the coconut milk at
Oh,
home.
really? Okay.
So you buy
Not
the
the one with
coconut.
preservatives.
You can
Yeah.
do that as well. I mean, that's
Yeah.
an easy. I'll prefer doing it at home, which you have the
Right.
first milk, the second milk.
Yeah.
So you kind of you grate it, you grind it, and then you extract the milk. So we use it for a lot of things. So I use it for the Thai curry. We use it for fish curry.
Oh, nice.
So these
Yeah.
are wherever you need coconut milk. It's all made in the house. You add your coconut milk. You kind of stir all of it. Then you finally add your choice of protein or veggies. You put that in. So veggies, I like zucchini. I like carrot. I like aubergine. I like baby corn. You put all that in. Let it come to a simmer. Acha se, that.
Yeah.
When you start smelling that amazing thing, and of course lemongrass is like my most favorite. Don't be confused.
याद है?
Add the lemongrass. Finally, when you add the coconut milk, you can do that according to your consistency.
एक restaurant
You have to
याद
add
आ रहा है.
stock. You can
वो
add
पाकिस्तान
either
का.
vegetable stock,
अच्छा.
or you can
लाहौर
add
में,
meat
वो
stock,
वाला.
whatever, depending on how you.
तो वो थाई फूड ही
Because that gives
सर्व
you
करते
the
हैं.
actual flavor over there. Finally,
Prawns
at the
बहुत
end, you
मजे
add the
करते हैं
Thai
उनके.
basil, which
है
is
ना?
I think that's the
Secret ingredient
ingredient that
that
goes
you
into a
definitely
Thai
need.
curry. Let it all come together, let it simmer. You can actually see that, and serve it with hot, sticky jasmine rice.
I know. I
That's
think
my-
jasmine rice, having that is also super important.
Yes. And that getting the right consistency of rice is
Yes.
very, very important. I like it. You either top it with lemongrass, or you can top it with fresh garlic. Like
Yeah.
fried garlic on top, or fried onions on top. Whatever, you can choose that.
Okay.
Time to dig in.
Yes.
Can I serve you?
Yes, I'll help myself. Whatever.
And very important when eating it, squeeze a little lemon. on
अच्छा
top.
हमारे घर वालों को
Really?
ये राइस नहीं पसंद आते.
You described it so well.
Because I make it in the house. That's one, it's a cuisine that I enjoy making. Like every time somebody asks me what is the kind of food that I like making in the house, I've always said Thai food. So whether it's Thai curry or a good pad Thai, which
Right.
again is so good.
But I can see all the ingredients are placed here.
Because
But you got to mix it, or how does
That's
it?
up to you, So a good pad Thai comes with all these condiments on the side. So there's, a classic. So you have the sprouts, you have the spring onions, you
Right.
have the chili flakes, you have crushed peanuts, you have fried garlic, onions, and you can also have, fried baby prawns, So
Right.
depending if you're vegetarian or
And then you just got to give it a good mix together.
you add how much ever you want. Very important, squeeze the lemon on top.
ये मुझे बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा है. जिससे प्रेजेंटेशन है ना.
You can add your chili flakes, but I like adjust your spice levels.
So, and you like it to
So
be very,
this
very
is the
tikha.
peanut, this is a sweet chili, and that needs courage.
It's that spicy.
It's spicy, so everybody has a different
and
spice
what's your
level.
tolerance like? You will go for the max
I go
one.
for full on spice.
Really?
I love spicy.
Like so much so that your eyes are watering, nose is watering, but
I
you
start
see.
sweating, but I still will eat it. I just
love
can't.
it too. Yeah.
I cannot stop. And the spicy, the better.
मुझे मैंगो स्टिकी राइस ही लग
मुंह
रहा
में
है
टेस्ट आ
मेरे मुंह में पानी आ रहा है
Cheese. That's our avocado tartar served with our seeded
Avocado?
peppers. And also another favorite of mine
Pata nahi.
is the classic pineapple fried rice.
Okay.
Fried
Yeah.
rice. Have you ever been to Thailand?
I've been to Thailand, but I've never tried this. I've tried the
हमने
pad
भी
thai,
try
I've tried
किया।
the Thai curry and rice.
हमने कुछ
not
भी नहीं
this,
try
and never
किया।
the
Oh,
pineapple
please, you gotta try this. It is delicious. So messy. You try. Like I said, I'm a rice person. I need my chawal. Isn't it yum?
With this rice, you don't need any gravy
Nothing,
at all.
nothing.
Just this rice
It's a
by,
meal by
itself.
itself.
It's amazing. I highly recommend the pineapple fried rice when you come here to Sweeney. So, will you tell me what aspect of a restaurant building are you usually involved in? Is it the interiors? Is it the food? Because you're working with Dhaval on this, right, as your restaurant partner.
So this is the second, partnership that we're doing after Scarlet House. Now Sweeney. I mean, I would say I'm involved in every aspect. Of course, Dhaval takes care of the business and the operations part of it. I look into the other aspects, but I feel it's very important for me to understand that part as well, because if I'm not going to, then I'm never gonna learn. So the operations part, but of course he's more hands-on when it comes to operations. Me, I look into whether it's the food, the menu, the styling, the everything, the interiors. I'm very hands-on, so I'm pretty hands-on.
Is it as glamorous as it looks? Because every third person wants to start a restaurant of their own, right?
It's very tough.
But they don't know the struggles behind it. In your experience,
It's very tough. It's very difficult to sustain. I mean, as you said, like everybody now wants to start a restaurant or is a restaurateur or cafe or whatever. The whole cafe culture is like booming. But to sustain is very, very difficult, and consistency to be able to churn out, the same quality and food every single day is very important. Also, you have to be open to change. You got to be able to pivot if you feel that there's something that's not working or if it's not flying. Then you need to pivot immediately. Don't wait for forever. But I think at the end of the day, you've got to stay true to what you want to, your message out there. And I think for me, from day one with all my restaurants has been comforting, home style, tasty food. That's what I've always believed in.
yeah.
That's what we serve.
But as a public figure, people will go to places which you open. People will want to know that.
Yeah.
Because it, of course, plays around with your own reputation,
Absolutely.
right?
And I totally
Huh.
trust, and I'm so happy that I found a partner like Dhaval who is so hands-on. He is so aware of everything. He is ready to, listen to whatever, whether it's criticism, whether it's praise, whatever it may be. Somebody who's very encouraging. Even with my son, the first time, he literally took him under his wing. He was like,
Yeah.
come, learn, understand, the whole ropes and, of running an actual
Yeah.
restaurant. So
And
he's-
Arhan seems very hands-on. I'm told he's always seen around Scarlet House.
Yeah, he loves it. And I think it's a different space also for him. I mean, whatever his career choices in life will be eventually, that path of his is there. But this is something he and me did together. So it'll always be extra special.
All moms are always advising their children what to do. He's a grown-up now. Have the roles reversed? क्या वो आपको भी बताता है कि mama we should do this, we should do that, or any advice coming in, or is it still you giving him all the advices?
I will advise him. I tell him all the time, right from how to dress or what haircut or choice of holiday destination. Don't be that goes without saying, or career choices or that. He will turn to me for all of that advice. And of course, I'm full of it and telling him that this is what, whatever. But at the same time, I think he and me have that equation where he'll tell me, what, Mom, I think you should, think about this, opportunity. Or he'll categorically tell me, Mom, I think it's a bad idea. Don't even.
वैसे
do
इतनी
that."
जो है ना होनी
But
चाहिए
आप उसके साथ
अंडरस्टैंडिंग
discuss करते हो?
है ना
I think काफी कुछ हम discuss करते हैं. Very, very close, very tight. He's very open about. He's my friend. They're like friends. We fight, we fire each other, but at the end of the day, opinions to each other matter a lot.
Last time when we met, आपने बताया था that how don't judge your kids, just hear them out, and that's how you create a bond with your with your child.
Absolutely. I think that's very important. You got to let them. They'll make their mistakes. They'll have their struggles. You have to let them go through it. But I think at the end of the day, you got to be able to let go. Also, it's very difficult to kind of loosen those reins and let them go and explore and understand. But that's part and parcel of parenting.
Right. I would want to know, as a single mom, how do you feel about raising a Gen Z child? And do you feel like it's difficult for single moms to then find companionship, or does one seek companionship?
You should be open to all of it. I'm very open to all of the prospects. I just feel there's a time and place for everything. I can't think too much about all of these things. I can't plan these things. If it has to happen, it will happen. There's enough and more, opportunities to avail of whether you want to be with somebody or not. But I feel that, like I said, there's a time and place for everything. Right now, I'm so happy exploring all of this that's going on in my life, and I'm being able to build things from scratch. I think that's what's really, keeping me going. That's what's really motivating me. And I think, yes, of course, companionship, a partner, all that is wonderful. I think it's beautiful. But I am not actively seeking it. I'm not like saying, oh, I need this and I need I'm not. I think I'm a very self-made woman.
Yeah.
I'm very proud of the fact that I'm a self-made woman, and I don't need an external person or a man to fulfill me or to complete the person that I am. I will do these things. If I have to be with somebody, I'll do it on my own terms.
But on social media, every time you're spotted with someone, and then there is this news about you.
Sometimes it's irritating, but I mean, now I just treat it as a joke. I really do. I don't give it too much of. I don't. I think Arhan and me have a good laugh about a lot of these things. Directly just dig in and eat.
Are these pineapple pieces?
Yeah, the pineapple is proper. It's all done in a pineapple itself. You kind of serve it in a pineapple. The maza kuch aur hi hai when you directly can't survive without my rice. You have to take the pieces of the pineapple and
What is this? Is this
पता
a
नहीं
Thai
कैसा टेस्ट
pan?
कर रहा हो तुम्हें लग रहा है कुछ
मीठा और
इतना नहीं होता है ना?
नमकीन
ये
मिक्स
पान
मजे
खा
की
के-
होगी
enjoy करना है.
Okay.
क्योंकि
The
देसी
Myanmar,
टच
this
भी है
is
ना
like-
बीच
These
में
are the Thai leaves,
Okay.
and these are all the condiments.
Do you know how to make it?
You just got to put everything. Chalo, we'll make one.
हाँ, ये लो.
You just put whatever you feel like in there
Okay.
and top it up with all the how basically it's imagine how your pad thai is.
Right. You just
But-
mix everything.
But you just mix
basically.
whatever, how much ever you want.
Okay.
Little.
ओके
That's last.
क्या ये पान की तरह?
लग तो रहा है
Okay.
सारा मिक्स
And
करके
it's like a Thai bhel.
Some Thai
Thai
flakes.
Chili flakes.
Onion.
fried
Is that onion?
Yeah.
Okay.
Some fried onions. And if you want any of these sauces, there's a peanut sauce, there's a sweet chili, and a spicy one.
And then
Hold it.
खाई के पान Thai वाला.
Yeah. Make it fun. Go for it.
This is so amazing.
Smell the leaf.
This is really good.
So I think it's a nice experience as well.
Absolutely.
So far, what have you liked the most? Tell me.
I think the pan, the Thai pan,
Seriously?
is amazing. I don't know what it's called. I think I just gave it a new name.
Myang Khao.
Myang Kha. And the pineapple rice. It's the
It's-
first time I'm trying.
It's also my favorite.
It's really good.
Chalo, very good. We're thinking alike.
Mango sticky rice.
Which is honestly my favorite.
And see a
देखा?
scoop of ice cream also on top.
So we've got there's cream and then there's gelato over here, which is a vegan coconut gelato. It's a healthier option. We use first Thai mango puree. We top it with chopped mangoes. Then there's another layer of the sticky rice with coconut milk. You kind of cook it together to just the right consistency. So that's what you have to actually cook, which is important part. It has to be cooked right amount of coconut milk and the sticky rice. We put that together. Then we put a layer of the coconut milk again. We dust it with some brown sugar. We kind of brulee the thing and burn it and give it that slightly burnt taste.
टेस्ट
And top it with our
nice
vegan.
cream.
It looks amazing.
No, you got to dig all the way in.
I can travel to Thailand for this one dish, but now that we have it here in
You
Mumbai,
don't need to go anywhere. You got to come right here.
delicious.
That's it.
With the gelato, right?
Oh my god! If you like coconut, oh, this is the vegan coconut gelato.
You're a vegetarian now, or do you eat non-veg?
I do sometimes, but I tend to be a lot more vegetarian. I was vegan a long time back.
But does it help in terms of your diet?
It depends. Like I said, I was vegan for a long time, and then COVID happened and everything. And I remember I was really depleted with my protein,
Yeah.
so I went back to eating a lot more protein. But I personally prefer eating vegetarian. Oh my god!
Good, right?
Sorry. Did you try it with the brulee on top?
The burnt portion,
Yeah, the
basically.
burnt and then dig in all the way. This is. After this, I want to sleep.
Is that something you do often?
I do. I love it.
After an afternoon meal?
Afternoon meal, I need a nap.
Wow.
हाँ,
I think
बहुत
it's
मजा
one of the
आता है
best
ना
things that you can do to your body, for yourself. It's great for your longevity, great for your skin, great for just kind of getting a quick pick me up. Just eat and sleep for
कितनी देर सोते हो आप please?
अगर 20 मिनट भी सो जाओ, 10 मिनट के लिए,
बहुत
आधे
बंदा
घंटे
fresh
के
हो
लिए,
जाता है ना।
2 घंटे के लिए नहीं होगा।
करते नहीं है।
रात को नींद नहीं आएगी, but it's like that quick 20 minute, half an hour, power nap, but
Yeah.
it makes a world of a difference.
I love it. मुझे
Let me
मौका
tell
नहीं मिलता because I'm usually out
But
shooting.
let me tell you, when I'm shooting also, I just sit and I shut my eyes.
Really? Wherever you are.
Wherever I am. I'll sit and I shut my eyes for a while, 15-20 minutes, and I'm good. I'm like recharged.
कमेंट करो अगर आप भी ऐसे करते हो दोपहर के खाने के बाद अगर थोड़ी एक झपकी में मजा
बड़ा
आता
मजा
है
आता है। नहीं डेली भी बहुत मजा आता है।
नहीं मैंने कहा कभी कभी लेती हूँ ये
comes quick questions you can
हालांकि
understand.
डेली मजा आता
Have
है।
you
मुझे
ever
बोला गया है कि
have to
नैप
stop
जरूर
eating?
लिया करो।
Yeah.
You know all the answers.
Actually, Google asked me.
Exactly. You are our Google. That's the only objective of this video, to know how to stop aging or how to reverse age. Do you sometimes look at your old photos and think cringe? You cringe, or do you say, "Wow, I still look the same"?
Sometimes I cringe. I'm like, what was I thinking? My hair, makeup, what was I wearing? And then, of course, then there are certain like baby pictures of this young which I'm like, oh, that's so cute. But a lot of sometimes I look at it and it's like, God, what was I thinking?
Have you ever cancelled a plan because it was past your bedtime?
Anytime.
Yeah. What's your bedtime?
10 at 9:30, 10.
Ever secretly checked if a new wrinkle has appeared?
Yeah. I don't have any. But thankfully I don't.
Yeah,
Of
touch wood.
Touch wood.
That's true.
I don't.
हाँ. But it bothers अगर कहीं ऐसा कुछ line वाइन आ गया तो.
No. Bother me. I think that's
हाँ.
part of aging. That's part of,
Yeah.
of life. But no.
Have you ever thought I feel 25 in my head?
No, I don't think I feel. I mean, mentally or physically?
Mentally, what do you feel?
Mentally, I feel 50.
Yeah. Physically.
Physically, I feel a lot younger because I just feel like I'm a lot more energetic, and also I do feel like how when you're like,
Yeah.
I do feel like.
Ever pretended to like healthy food more than you actually do?
ये
Take
क्या था?
temptation. I mean, let me tell you, eat one bite and you'll be forever tempted to eat more and more.
Destroy it first and then.
Destroy it,
Yeah.
then let it destroy you.
पता नहीं।
The cream, the pistachio, and it melts in your mouth.
Absolutely. I didn't lie, right?
It's so good.
You just have the cream with the pistachio.
Crunch. It's not too sweet. Did you come here for all the tasting sessions?
I'm going to tell you, this was one of the first things that
How do you never put on weight? I'm sure this question people will want to.
don't put on weight. Of course, I mean, if I don't bother, I will, no? I mean, I'm not sitting and dumping and not bothering. I'll eat all of this, but I'll get to the gym, I'll work out. I'm very regimented and particular about all this. I'll enjoy. That's what I feel. If you can't enjoy all of this in life, then what's the point of life? You know, to ये सब enjoy करना. Oh yeah. Also know how to balance life.
Lessons learned, points noted. Malaika, बहुत मजा आया to meet you one more time. Learn how to work out, learn how to enjoy life, learn to be a warrior, learn to be at it all day, no matter where you are in life.
No matter what, don't let anybody in your life in your time. Just go for it.
Thank you so much
You, my
for
dear.
this
Thank you.
delicious meal. I'm definitely coming back here.
Bring your daughter.
100%.
I treat her to a good mango sticky rice.
100%. Thank you so much.
Thank you for being so amazing always.
अच्छा मुझे ऐसा लगता है खत्म होने वाला है मजे का एपिसोड था क्योंकि पहले हम लोगों ने उनसे
योगा सीखा।
टिप्स ली हाँ कि भाई किस तरीके से अपना-
मैंने नहीं, आपने टिप्स ली क्योंकि योगा आप करती
यार
हैं।
मुझे अच्छा लगता है पता नहीं क्यों मुझे बहुत कामिंग लगता है
मैंने एक टिप ली जो लोअर बैक आपकी पेन होती है ना उसमें कैसे चलें फिर आप जो है वो सही हो सकते हैं तो
डक वॉक
मैं जो है
अब
वो
मुझे
स्टार्ट
समझ आया
करूंगा।
देखो उनकी डक वॉक इतनी ज्यादा फेमस हो गई थी तो उन्होंने रीजन बता दी कि वो क्यों डक वॉक लेकिन मैं ये बात सोच रही हूँ डक वॉक 10 से 15 स्टेप्स लेने थे फिर बाद में वापस भी लेने थे तो वो ऐसे अंदर भी तो किए जा सकते थे लोगों ने बहुत इस पर बात की थी बहुत चर्चा हुई थी
लेकिन वो पता अब चल रहा है ना कि वो क्या था बेसिकली उसके पीछे उसका
एग्जैक्टली वो मैं ये कह रही हूँ कि वो आप वहां पर भी तो कर सकते थे ना लाइक योगा मैट के ऊपर डक वॉक लेकिन फिर लोग हमें कैसे पता चलता भाई कि ऐसे मतलब इससे हेल्प
पॉइंट टू बी नोटेड
हाँ बिल्कुल
कि हमें कैसे पता चलता
मौजम की लोअर बैक का इशू कैसे रिजॉल्व होता जो बेचारा इतने दिनों से अब ये डक वॉक करेगा फिर मैं वीडियो बनाऊंगी
मैं यूं करूंगा है आई
नहीं लेकिन मुझे पर्सनली योगा में काफ़ी इंटरेस्ट है ऑल्दो मैं उतना करती नहीं हूँ जितना मैं देखती हूँ
नहीं पर आप फिर भी अगर मैं इनकी बात करूँ ना तो जब ये योगा करके कमरे से बाहर निकलते हैं, नो डाउट इनका कमरा बहुत स्मेली हुआ होता है पसीने की वजह से, लेकिन जो है इनके चेहरे पे वो एक ग्लो जो है नजर आता है।
ओके
मैं आपकी तारीफ
अच्छा,
कर
ये
रहा
वो
हूं।
वाली तारीफ है, मैं बताती हूँ, ये वाली तारीफ है। आप तस्वीर देखते हो ना और किसी ने बहुत अच्छी तस्वीर है, तुम लग ही नहीं रहे, ये वो वाली नहीं। देखो जब मेरा पसीने की स्मेल होती है, ऑब्वियसली आपका शरीर इतना अच्छा नहीं होता, क्योंकि जो आपकी स्वेटिंग है वो बता देती है उसका क्या से बोलते हैं, वो स्टिंकी है, तो बताती है कि आपका
हाँ।
शरीर कितना गंदा और गलीज है।
हकीकत
लेकिन
है।
जब आप उसको अपनी रूटीन का पार्ट बना लेते हो तो फिर वो डिटॉक्स होना शुरू हो जाता है।
सही बात है। इसी तरह जब आप खाते हैं ना, तो उसके बाद भी आपका जो है ना वो स्मेल से पता चलता है कि आप मशीनरी अंदर कैसे।
अभी मुझे इसलिए हंसी आ रही है क्योंकि वीडियो से पहले मैंने इसको बोला, अभी तू यहाँ पर आ गया ना, मैंने देखा कि तू वॉशरूम में ना कम बदबू रहा था। आज हम कैसी बात कर रहे हैं?
मैंने स्पेशल जो है असिस्टेंट रखा हुआ है जो स्मेल सूंघ के बताता है कि
नहीं
कैसी है।
पाकिस्तान में तो मैं सच बता रही हूँ, इसके जाने के बाद वॉशरूम में जाना तो ना एक बहुत बड़ा महाज होता था। यहाँ पर आकर थैंक गॉड के ये महाज जो है वो थोड़ा खत्म हो गया है। उसका कारण ये है क्योंकि यहाँ पर ऑब्वियसली उतना ज्यादा गंदा खाना नहीं
दूसरा
खाया
मैं वॉक
जाता,
काफी
क्योंकि ये
करता हूँ।
बाहर बहुत पाकिस्तान में गंदा खाना खाता था।
और दूसरा यहाँ वॉक भी मैं काफी करता हूँ।
वॉक करता है, घर का हम लोग खाना ज्यादा खाते हैं।
हाँ।
और अगर बाहर से भी जो खाना मिलता है तो वो भी काफी हाइजीन, यहाँ पर काफी ज्यादा उस चीज का ख्याल रखा जाता है। बट खैर एनीवेज, अभी हम लोग बात करते हैं उनकी वीडियो के बारे में। मुझे वैसे पर्सनली ये लगता है, नो डाउट कार्डियो बहुत अच्छा होता है, बाकी सारे भी, वेट लिफ्टिंग बहुत ज़रूरी है, स्पेशली एक एज के बाद वेट लिफ्टिंग बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है। बट आई थिंक योगा का बेस्ट पार्ट ये है जो मुझे समझने में बहुत टाइम लगा, क्योंकि मैं इतनी लेट लतीफ़ हूँ ना, मुझे हमेशा लेट समझ आती हैं चीज़ें। तो आप जैसे बॉडी मतलब वेट ट्रेनिंग की भी बात करो, इवन कि आप योगा करते हो, आप अपनी बॉडी के वेट से भी वेट ट्रेनिंग करना शुरू कर देते हो, क्योंकि जब आप अपनी बॉडी का वेट मतलब बेयर कर रहे हो, उसको होल्ड कर रहे हो किसी ना किसी तरीके से, तो वो आपके मसल स्ट्रॉन्ग करता है। और मैं सीरियसली बताऊं, जो लोग प्रॉपर योगा करते हैं, हर आसन को करते हैं, योगा करना इतना आसान नहीं, आपको इतने क्रैम्प्स आते हैं ना कि, और आपकी स्पेशली जो सांसें हैं उनको कंट्रोल करना काफ़ी मुश्किल होता है। अब आपको मेरी बातें सुनकर यही लग रहा होगा कि भाई पता नहीं मैं कितनी बड़ी ज्ञानी हो रही हूँ, लेकिन फिर वही बात है, हम चीज़ें देखते बहुत ज़्यादा है, एब्जॉर्ब इतना ज़्यादा करते हैं, बट प्रैक्टिकली हम उनको कम करते हैं। लेकिन यस, आप मुझे लगता है कोशिश करते रहना चाहिए। मलाइका अरोड़ा की बातें सुनकर ना एक चीज़ की मोटिवेशन तो आपको मिलती है कि कुछ भी करने के लिए ना ऐसा नहीं होता कि आप बहुत देर हो गई है। अभी मैं जैसे अभी यहाँ पर मौसम की बात करती हूँ, अभी ये एज में छोटा है, ठीक है ना, लेकिन इसी एज में क्या, ये मैंने 2-3 साल पहले इसके मुंह से ये बातें सुनना शुरू की, मैं तो बुढ़ा हो गया, मैं तो बुढ़ा हो गया। मतलब आपका अपने आप को यंग फील करना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है। प्रॉब्लम इज कि ना हमारे सोसाइटी में जो चीज़ें मैंने देखी हैं, इंक्लूडिंग माई सेल्फ, जो एक अप्रोच रहती है वो गलत है बहुत। और वो ये कि हम फिट होने की बजाय ना फिट दिखना चाहते हैं।
बिल्कुल।
तो ये जो दिखने वाला कल्चर है ना, ये बड़ा गलत है। एक्चुअली में हमें फिट फील करना चाहिए खुद को, और प्रैक्टिकली वो चीज़ें करनी चाहिए। बट प्रॉब्लम इज कि हम लोग डिस्कशन में करें, हमने कैलोरीज बहुत कम ली, हम कार्ब्स नहीं ले रहे। मुझे लगता है सब कुछ खाओ और साथ में एक्सरसाइज करो, सब कुछ परफेक्ट होता है
यार। कोई शक नहीं, आपका जो है ना वर्कआउट होते रहना चाहिए, बेशक वो आप किसी भी सूरत में कर रहे हैं, वॉक में कर रहे हैं, योगा में कर रहे हैं, जिम में कर रहे हैं। लेकिन हाँ, साथ साथ स्ट्रेचिंग जो है ना, वो अब आके ज़रा मैं रियलाइज़ करता हूँ कि स्ट्रेचिंग होना बहुत ज़रूरी है। शुक्र है ज़रा अर्ली एज में जो है वो रियलाइज़ जो है वो कर लिया है। और मलाइका जो हैं उनकी बात भी सही है कि भाई किसी भी एज में आप जो है वो शुरू करें, लेकिन करें ज़रूर। और आपकी बात भी बिल्कुल सही है कि हम अपने आप को जब वो एक सिग्नल भेजना शुरू करते हैं, बुढ़े हो गए, बुढ़े हो गए, वाकई आप बुढ़े जो है ना वो जल्दी हो जाते हैं वैसे ही। बिल्कुल। लेकिन अगर आप ये कि ना हाँ जवान अभी कर सकते हैं तो कर सकते हैं। अभी जैसे मैं इसकी एग्जांपल ये दे सकता हूँ, मैं रोज़ रात को जो है ना ट्रैक करने जाता हूँ। स्टार्टिंग में मुझे ट्रैक बहुत लंबा लगता था, लेकिन अब क्योंकि वो मेरे माइंड को हो गया कि भाई करना है, और वही ट्रैक अब मैं कहता हूँ यार इतनी जल्दी कंप्लीट हो गया है। तो ये हकीकत है, आपका माइंड जो है ना वो टाइम के साथ साथ जो आप काम कर रहे होते हैं ना उसमें वो ट्रेन होना जो है वो शुरू हो जाता है।
अभी सॉरी मैंने इंटरप्ट कर दिया, कुछ दिन पहले मैं अपनी फ्रेंड के साथ बाहर गई और ये जो सिग्नल फर्स्ट सिग्नल आता है, तो पहले दिन जब मैं और मौसम वॉक करने गए ना तो बड़ा दूर लगा था मुझे। मतलब उस दिन हम लोग, मैं अपनी फ्रेंड के साथ मैं गई, ये तो ऐसे लग रहा है 2 मिनट में आ गया, पता ही नहीं चला मुझे।
माइंड आपका जो है वो ट्रेन
Literally मैंने उसको ये बात बोली।
फिर उसके बाद खानों की बात करें तो भाई मेरा ख्याल है कि दुनिया जहाँ के खाने उठा के जो है ना आप इंडियन सब कॉन्टिनेंट में ले आए, उनको अपने तड़के के
अरे,
साथ
क्या
बनाए,
स्वाद आता है।
ओहो मजा आ जाता है उस खाने का कि भाई वाकई में आप कहते हैं खाना हो तो ऐसा हो।
हाँ, ये मैं मानती हूँ भाई, खाने जो है ना वो इंडियन सब कॉन्टिनेंट के सबसे ज्यादा मजे के
क्योंकि
लगते हैं।
मुझे लगता है कि अगर आप जो है ना जैसे वो पाइनएप्पल राइस जो हैं वो थाईलैंड में खाएंगे उसका टेस्ट कुछ और होगा, हो सकता है आपको वो जो है ना एक मज़ा ना आए। हाँ, उधर से आप किसी इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट, जो साउथ इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट वहाँ पे आपको काफ़ी मिलते हैं, वहाँ पे टेस्ट डिफरेंट हो सकता है। फिर वही खाना अगर आप इंडिया में आकर खाते हैं, कहीं पे मिल रहा हो, बेशक वो फाइन डाइनिंग हो या रोड साइड हो, आपको जो एक टेस्ट वहाँ पे महसूस होगा ना वो आपका ऐसा होगा कि बार बार खाने वाला, कि जब भी आपको मौका मिले किसी को लेकर जाना या फलानी जगह पे चलते मैं तो कुछ टेस्ट कराता नया।
बिल्कुल ऐसा होता। अच्छा, एक चीज मैं पूछना चाहूंगी आप लोगों से, जो मुझे ऐसा फील होता है कि जैसे मैंने ना बहुत सारे लोगों को देखा आफ्टर 40 इवन के मिड 30s की भी अगर मैं बात करूं, तो जैसे जैसे उनकी एज 40 की तरफ जाने लगती है ना, तो उनके मसल्स जो है ना वो बहुत स्टिफ होना शुरू हो जाते हैं। और मैंने तो कुछ लोगों के शोल्डर्स तक फ्रीज होते हुए देखे हैं कि मतलब वो मूव ही नहीं कर सकते। तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ना कि जो जैसे हम लोग ये करते हैं, योगा करते हैं, योगा आपको स्ट्रेंथ भी देता है और फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी देता है। और मुझे लगता है हमारे शरीर के बीमार होने की ज़्यादा रीज़न यही है कि वो स्टिफ होना शुरू हो जाता है। क्योंकि खाली कार्डियो अगर हम लोग बात करें, नो डाउट वो कहीं ना कहीं पर आपके अंदर स्ट्रेंथ लेकर आता है, कहीं नहीं बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रेंथ लेकर आता है, स्टैमिना बिल्ड करता है आपके अंदर। बट मुझे लगता है वो फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी उस तरह से नहीं आती जिस तरह योगा से आती है। वो तो ऐसे लग रहा होता है जैसे आप किसी वो ऐसे कपड़े के धागे होता है ना, ऐसे अंदर से हमारे बॉडी को खोल रहा होता है, इतना फ्लेक्सिबल। मतलब ये मैं फील कर पाती हूँ चीज़ें जब मैं प्रॉपर कभी कंसिस्टेंट होकर कर लूँ। तो कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताइएगा कि ये वाकई में सही बात है या नहीं, आपको नहीं ऐसा लगता, क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली मेरे पास भी अभी इतना नॉलेज नहीं है। कमेंट सेक्शन में अपनी ओपिनियन जरूर दीजिएगा। मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। सब्सक्राइब
गुड बाय।